Hi, welcome to It's a Wow. You'll find makeup, tips and tricks, how to create a perfect base, cut crease eyeshadow looks, the perfect contour, using brands like NARS, Too Faced, Anastasia. Stay tuned and please subscribe. This makeup tutorial shows how you can use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette on the eyes, on the cheeks, anywhere on the face where you want some light. It comes in Bronze Sands Edition, Golden Sands, and Pink Sands. It's a wow. Just shows if you know how to use the right products, you can make your skin look flawless. It's a wow. These Huda Beauty eyeshadow colors look awesome in all types of skin, all colors of skin, all ethnicities. It's just a wow. If you want to rock the natural look, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Great for experts or beginners. It features glowing skin and long eyelashes. Take a look. BoxyCharm is part of a growing number of subscription beauty boxes. They send you 5 full-size beauty items for their subscribers, or what they're called charmers, every month. Other beauty subscription services are FabFitFun, Glossybox, Birchbox, Play, Ipsy. This tutorial features BoxyCharm and it is just beautiful. Wonder 2 is considered a high-tech cosmetics brand founded in the UK, with products like the Wonderbrow Eye Gel and the Wonder Lift. Some makeup artists actually prefer completing the eye makeup first. That way when you put on your foundation and concealer after, it minimizes fallout and cleans it away more easily. The Amrezy highlighter, a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, was released in 2018 and looks good on all skin tones. It's a wow.